Jamaica, this is Randy. I just got the star apple tree and the cherry tree from Simone. Give them your number slowly.
773-3412.
It's 876.
773-3412.
We're at the Rada Farmers Market and she has trees, so if you guys need anything, contact her. She will source them for you. This right here is a cucumber and she gonna give me 2 extra cucumber for free. And then she give me this. We have this. She has everything, so if you don't want things, call Simone. Lychee, I go call you later. Cause I want that one here too. Java Plum, 1500, 2000. And that one here? Lychee. Alright, sister. So people, check out Simone. Alright.